Ebusuafo ne ahwefo emu bi akobade ba Unidek TV so send the day kan obodi answer betumi emi subscribe button no so no subscribe na for like na wetumi a share no we comment was ne betumi.
You know, it's your boy Captain to the Planet. I'm here to talk to you about Unidek TV. Please subscribe to Unidek TV. Subscribe.
Ho no ma wo monyo mo adwuma kopem se wo bewie asɛmdie no ankasa speaker kyerɛ sɛ lata moemwe ɔsɛmfa no ho wɔn de wanya di kra no na wadi kra no wanhyɛ da amfa na no anka enso ne ye ne sɛ de no wɔn de na hunu sɛ baabi ogina no a wabɔ mi mfi ta duku ɛna wabɔ nanim powder ɛna ogina hɔ sɛ wɔnte hwe asɛmi panimfo tu ho ana mo ama ene court ɛdi muaye aba court atemuafo ɛtena so no wo mo yɛ enso ensonu ruling a womode eba ye ne se emu nnum ese speaker anyade ene emu mienu ese speaker ayade tie wie no na akwakoye 5-2 against speaker of parliament woma hye no enti article 791G no ene h 97 yankana 97
1 G and H. Thank you.
Enti enchiremu nyina ene se de akwakọ wia ne se abanken sportsman baben de wo ye no wo mo se emfa wo man Ghana ye mra ekwan so no wo wie ye na Alexander Afenyo Markin kire se speaker so hu de asie no eno a na asie na yentie se de Afenyo Markin wane na ma for edi kan be to MPP antem wo mu wie ye de nsem ahodo etudwa.
It's a moment for all of us to rally around the choice we made in 1992, democracy. Democracy requires decency, and that is the path the MPP majority caucus took to ensure that we do right to the law. Nothing more except to say that we expect our colleagues on the other side, including Mr. Speaker, to respect the outcome of this case so that we'll move on as a nation. All we have is the peace of the country. All we have is our democracy. And in West Africa and in Africa as a whole, Ghana shines in the eyes of the people in terms of democracy. So this is another feat we have achieved, and we must celebrate it. It's not a matter of MPP against NDC. It's a matter of constitutional, interpretation, and the court has given its verdict.
Enti na Alexander Afenyo Markin chemu a wode eba no na lawyer wo gina mu ma wo mo onabo jogate kire se wo mo de wo mo ye papa na mompa ene wo mo tu ye se wo mo de court Supreme Court se wo mo kwakope enchiremu na eba ne se ya na kabima menka bi a Ghana ya sha ase a enyini kakra no eno ena edi nkunim.
And as far as I'm concerned, if the status quo ante is brought back, then this whole dispute that people call him caucus leader, whatever, it will stop from today. We have a majority leader, and the majority leader is Honorable Alexander Afenyo Markin.
Enti na de wie ye na wote ye ewo mu no enti sesei de awie ewo mu ene se speaker asem no a wode to dwa a wo declare seat ni bi se aye kwatre kwa no Supreme Court se seat no wontumi nka se aye kwatre kwa ti sesei sa MPs no ebetumi akoso akotena wo mu seat no so na wo mo aye adwuma na mo tinyen ama
Ene sansem kro na mu eno soafo a wono ene hwe yedwadie ene mfidi dwuma so KT Hammond edi atodwa se wono wo hwe petetakra mu di se de da biada wo kana asem na wo si speaker ware na speaker area obeka ho asem denden nyina ene de ya ebra Alexander Afenyo Markins o kasa nima ena Alexander ebeka se we wo bia nweye ɛna obi ani nkunim esan sɛ nyɛ ko a MPP any NDC ɛko na emom ɛyɛ ka bi ma menka bi ɛna adi nkunim mom ɔse dabi Mrs. Speaker re sanse speaker re a wari nyina wontie futu ye ka sem bia che speaker wɔse wo no dem abɔ mi mfi taduku ɛna ndi sɛ ɔde te wɔsa ɔse ba bia adridie ne ɔbɛka che speaker nyina ne sɛ wɔ bɛma mo mfrɛ wɔm sɛ ɔmra me hyɛ bregifiem na yentie ka etie ne nsɛm no ebi.
It's supposed to be the custodian of the Constitution. This man decides that he would not respect the Constitution. Not only that, he would not respect the apex court of the land. It's outlandish. I haven't seen anything like that in my life. And I heard this argument. He respects the supremacy of the Constitution, but he doesn't respect the supremacy of the Supreme Court. What does it mean? For you, my baby, my mother wedding, and my baby wedding, and come here, question. That is what somebody said. The one who I have against Babe. My very good friend. Everybody yourself. I mean, it's a class prefect. You all know that. But the point is that I do not agree that a person of his caliber would not respect the ruling of the Supreme Court. Now it has been very crystally put by the Supreme Court. The motion, the filed by majority leader of the House has succeeded. The Speaker Babing has absolutely no choice now to comply. Tell Ato and his followers to move back to where they originated onto our seat. We expect that to be done without fail. That's how simple this matter has become. Babing must learn to respect the authority of the Supreme Court.
Honorable, yes. One question for you.
Which one?
Why did you aid Professor Michael Kwe to flout the Constitution?
I've said this. This matter has come out and we talked about it so much. We say, how did I aid? Are you now making a
because we didn't see this level of objection.
I do not even remember that particular ruling. I've made the point many times. At that time, we had about 169 or so members on our side. Nobody
reported that. Care about the
not caring. I don't even remember. It is until this matter came up that the issue came up. And consistently, I've said that we're fine. He may have so he was wrong. He was wrong. But the matter didn't get the opportunity of surfacing in the Supreme Court. Now it has. There was this matter in one of these judgments, and I think it was Justice, I think Francois, in one of the famous cases. He said that, well, look, everybody is saying that this was wrong, it has been perpetuated, and nobody said anything, and so that remains the law. It is not. All right, there was there's an error, there was an illegality, it has been perpetuated. Now somebody's raised their hand. The hand is up now. Nobody can.
The interesting thing here is that the very people who aided or who by
don't keep on saying
petition, who by petition watched on from Michael Kwe.
And the Supreme Court where your court down wa bobo Katie Amon and then some job for train na was the one who Obekasa one and some Obekasa pa and in Muni Binono and the Facebook for said them moteno na muhun the munya madrimpo or mabekin kind of mom. Now some croye mu and ye bomu ne Attorney General Minister for Justice Godfrey Yeboadami Edin Komobisa and say Sir Article 97(1) G&H ya akwafa sa amanso twe we yaba say akonwa ne fa baabi kura da ho be na watwe mienu na watwe miensa obi ase wonya dom kuma e wo mrahye bedwafiem no ye bisa Attorney General se osusu pa se baabi adu ya ma mra 1992 constitution no yensesam ana yenda ne ani kakra ana yemubonto baabi ne enkope foforo emfamra enchemu sei na AG edema
determination by the court on the matter, and the Speaker of Parliament has no option but to comply. I mean, I think that we must stop giving with one hand and taking with the other. As I said, it amounts to double standards and exercising contradiction. For the Speaker of Parliament, in his address to the media, say that the case raises such serious legal issues and matters body on governance and all that, and then refuse to take back. So this country refuse to take part in the proceedings. I think in this country, we must recognize some people for who they are and what they do. This hypocrisy and double standards must cease. The Supreme Court is the final arbiter on all matters in the country, including an interpretation of the Constitution. Indeed, it's the only court solely seeks reservation to pronounce on the meaning of relevant provisions of the Constitution. And the Constitution means what the Supreme Court says it means, and nothing more. It is the same in America, and as I said, America, United Kingdom, and all advanced democracies, that is the order that they respect. There's no way a Supreme Court would give a decision in America or United Kingdom, and then the Prime Minister, apart from expressing his disagreement with the decision, or the President of America, of course, he has a freedom of expression to express his disagreement with the decision, but he has no option but to comply, and they usually comply, and that is it.
Attorney General, many have said that. Many have said that.
Mako and Memphis Central for Mena Agona West and a Suhumuno and the woman in a Supreme Court is a woman sign court and Koyo Juma Kusi say, ye better aba every.
Enti abusuafo na de atiena no se ye twen de speaker wobeka
Him say case we yemfa full reasons in my
ochina na reasons ni
ochina and nipa mienu a senior speaker yen but nipa mienu ne crowd adwen kro no kire se enkese se Afenyo High Court nkire nienti a so kasa maye hu mrako a gina so a so de kasa ene nipa numu ne nso a kan se ne speaker yen enye no nso emfa omanu yi anase chechie mu mai court ne kire se kire nyame ya adoma enom de beba na ya de ba enipa numu ni nyina adwen ko bankrom ntinu de krata ba ko beba na de omunchire mu ne omunyina so nyina bomba akwaba na afa enipa mienu ne nso no kire ne enti a ne fa ho no so dom reasons na ba nti nyame ya adom no kina reasons na fa ne fa de ni nyina ba eno so e ba be chirechi ma mobia hu ne enti a Supreme Court ekoye 5-2 majority na obia ehunu ne ekoso sanse ma hu se nkrofo obi sase na denti na Supreme Court ekoye 5-2 reasons no man fa ama ne omo kan nyina ne se ne esiye no enipa nso no enum adwen ko bankrum mienu adwen ko bankrum mienu no Justice Amadu Tanko ena Avel Loveless Johnson we ni mienu ena enum na aka no so Justice Mariama Owusu CJ eka ho Justice Yao Dakun eka ho Ernest Gawu ene oma aka no ene ye enum no ene ne so do madwempo no beba nyame ya doma ochina
abusuafo ne ahwefo emu bi akobade ba Unidek TV so send the ID kan obodi answer betumi emi subscribe button no so no subscribe na for like na wetumi a share no we ja comment was ne betumi
It's your boy Captain to the Planet. I'm here to talk to you about Unidek TV. Please subscribe to Unidek TV. Subscribe.